Right now we're looking at a vehicle that is used to service catenary wires, which is electrical wires that run above the machine. Right now we're in the assembly process. It takes quite a few machines to do all the tasks that are required to keep a railroad infrastructure up. We make approximately 25 different models. Hi, my name is Stan Crockett. I'm the Director of Quality and Continuous Improvement for the Plasser American Corporation. Plasser American Corporation has been in Chesapeake for 50 years. We make high quality, high performance, maintenance of way equipment to take care of railroad infrastructure. We very much look forward to the relationship that we have with some of the training schools in the area. I would recommend a technical skill and a technical school to help you understand what things you enjoy. We have a pretty broad range of career opportunities here. Welding, working with pneumatics, hydraulics. So in this particular area, we have people that specialize in building cabs where the operator sits when they're operating the equipment. As you can see, we have a lot of electrical wire, so electrical experience. We depend heavily on skilled people to do the work that we do. That older workforce will be moving on, and so will a lot of the experience. What we're trying to do is to find good, technically sound people to bring in and take the place of those who are retiring soon. And that's one of the big reasons why it's so important to find people that have had an education in skilled trades. We believe that culture starts with management. We have spent a lot of time with our frontline leaders teaching them how to lead. And over the last year and a half, we've seen a huge culture shift. It's really creating a better place to work. It's working out for us. Our ideal candidate is somebody that's willing to take responsibility and be willing to learn and to grow. So if you're out there right now and you're not sure what you want to do, consider the technical skill.